Keeping your car running without excess heat or friction means keeping your bearings in good shape. Like any other moving part on your car, over time, bearings will undergo wear and tear. You've probably heard the term packing the bearings. This refers to packing a bearing with grease to keep it moving freely. Some bearings come in sealed units, so when they've worn down, the whole unit is replaced. Your car's wheel bearings do a lot of work, and if they start to wear, you'll feel some looseness in the steering. If they're not replaced in a timely manner, they can collapse completely, which will seize up the wheel. This can be catastrophic. A roaring sound coming from any of your wheels is a common symptom of a damaged bearing. If you hear this, it is critical that you get into your local Repco Authorised service centre immediately. Don't keep driving. Our fully qualified professionals will assess the state of your bearings and get you safely back on the road. To keep on top of your car's maintenance needs, book in or book online today.